following the rules of the road.
You'd think a driving school instructor would know how to do that, but the state's Traffic Safety Bureau says that's not the case for one driving instructor. He's still taking students even though his school is not certified. And as News 13's Tim Maestas reports, it leaves a lot of kids stuck on High Center.
It's the middle of summer, and the Roswell Driving School is busy. Our hidden camera video shows a crowd of kids standing outside the school office July 20th, ready to take the wheel and hit the streets with driving school owner and instructor Brandon Lithicum. But there's a problem.
Their license expired July 1st, so we sent them a letter to cease and desist.
According to New Mexico's Traffic Safety Bureau, Lithicum is not currently certified as a driving instructor, and his business is not currently certified as a driving school. The law is clear on this. According to state statute, no person may operate a driver education school without first having obtained a license from the Bureau.
Should they be teaching kids without a license?
No, they should not.
Even though they don't have a license, our hidden camera found they're operating anyway. We caught up with Brandon Lithicum Monday.
Hi.
Hello.
You Mr. Lithicum?
Yes.
Hi. I'm Tim from Channel 13.
Lithicum agreed to talk with us, showing us his renewal application for state certification.
We asked them for time. We asked for a request of variance and exemption until we could get it renewed.
He says new insurance requirements issued by the state forced a delay in the renewal process, and he says he thought the certification had been approved.
We try to adhere to every policy and standard that they issue us.
According to the state, Lithicum has now met the insurance requirements, but he is still not certified. The renewal application is still under review.
They know that their license expired. They signed an affidavit indicating that they would not have their school operating during the time that they didn't have a license.
At least one parent told us Lithicum was operating illegally and that the state knew it but failed to act.
When were you made aware of these issues, and how long did it take for you to address it?
We received the information, it looks like this, from the same individual on July 6th, and we began addressing it on July 6th.
As the state investigation continues, News 13 has learned there's also an issue with the driving school's business license.
Are you licensed to operate in Roswell?
As far as I know, yes.
According to City Hall, Lithicum does not have a current business license for the Roswell Driving School. In fact, a staffer with the city's business licensing division tells us he hasn't had a business license since September of 2006.
I would have to double check my records, but...
State transportation officials say the lack of a business license is an issue for Brandon Lithicum and the city of Roswell. The state is focusing its attention on Lithicum's Roswell Driving School and the students trained by an uncertified business.
At this point, MVD knows that the school does not have a license and will not be accepting any certificates from that school.
Any student who attended the Roswell Driving School since July 1st will need to be retrained by a certified instructor. According to the state, the school's insurance company will pick up the tab. Tim Maestas, KRQE News 13.
The owner says the Roswell Driving School has taught about 5,000 students over the last 13 years. State officials will not comment on what will become of the school certification renewal process if the state investigation officially confirms the school is operating illegally.
You have teenage kids. I have teenage grandkids, and they all going through driver's ed and everything, and they're dying to do this and get it done. And can you imagine going through it?
Bummer. They would just be
and
devastated.
Now they're sorry, didn't work. You got to do it again.
Sorry, you can't drive. You got to start all over. School's about to start. The summer's getting
Parents
short.
wouldn't be happy either.
No, very unhappy.
There's going to be a lot of unhappy folks there.